I mean, I've been working on IPDM for a long time, and I'm totally convinced of it. It's great when you go on a strawberry farm and you've had a bad dose of red spider, and you go and look on a leaf and you see 5 predators on one leaf, and you just think, wow, and that will clean that crop up, and there probably won't be any spider in it the following year either. So it's you never get that with a pesticide. Yeah, when I was working on chilies, we were brought to the chili that didn't have any pesticide coverage, and so we had to use IPDM from the start, and it worked out better on the aphids than it did on the conventional pesticides do. So once we got these things established, then and we used aureus for thrips, because there was a lot of thrips on the nursery, and we put aureus on, and they put them on usually early June, and they bred very well, and there was like dozens and dozens in every plant. So yeah, aureus is a big aggressive predator that you put on sort of June time, or probably a bit earlier in South Wales, and it's a big aggressive thing that tackles aphids and thrips, and it's a useful strategy to control a sort of late burst.